Stay there. That's a good girl. Good girl, Roxy. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Yeah, pipe's still leaking from there. I checked by getting hold of old hissing Sid here. Let's see what we got left in it. What's in the bucket? Let's see if there's any water still left trapped in there. Nope, blockage has been sorted. Cool. Right. So, until I can get to the Bob the Builder shop to get the replacement pipe, I think I'll just keep improvising while I'm doing my thing online. That's just keeping the electrics up away from where the water's been leaking from. So we just keep that up out of the way. Right. And let's see what's left in the water. Do it slowly so we can see. This is running downhill, so I'll do it slowly. It lets all the sediment go to the bottom like gold panning. Then you get left with either what's come out the pump or what's been coming down on the washing line onto the wet clothes. Particulates. Bearing in mind I don't know how long this problem's been like it has, which is why I'm being very methodical in how I'm going about solving it. Just saw a fibre come out of there, a dark one, and I've got red-haired dogs and a white-haired dog, no black hair. I ain't got black hair, so well, that ain't dog hair. That's particulates. That's an insect. That's lime scale. Right, that's in all I need to see. Now I can start cleaning up. Oh dear. Right, I reckon get some Calgon going through the washing machine system. De-lime scale the inside of it, same as you do with a kettle. Well, I don't, but that's because I don't like chucking too many chemicals through my body. So that's come through clean, isn't it? Yep, clean. Cool. Well, it's, what's the time now? Add 5 minutes on that, because the time keeps getting fucked about with when I'm in slime mode. So 7 o'clock, no point putting the washing out. That can stay there and be done in the morning. I'll put it on the clothes horse in the front room. Ah dear, freaking ankle's playing up still. Oh dear. Right, looks like the iceberg lettuces need thinning out a bit. And then it's time to go and get the compost for the grow boxes. And start really taking shape at this place. Washing up I'll be doing tonight, so that's not a problem for me. Hence the hyperness. You all happy, Roxy? Yeah, you've had your cuddle up on the bed, haven't you? And you need your breeding partner, don't you? Hey? Instead of trying it on with me, eh? Wrong species, little lady. She's mullered the old raccoon. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Is it hiding? Give me that. Give me that. Are you guarding your prey now? Now you got it. That's the spirit, innit, Roxy? You're learning from the one teaching you on the bed now, aren't ya? Good girl. Good girl. cleaning your teeth, haven't we, Roxy? Get off. Get off. Stop trying to dominate me. Sit. Good girl. Give me that toy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. See how she's guarding her feet now, getting them out of the way. Guarding her toys. Which one shall I get? So I'll get that one. Right, you don't know which toy to guard now, do you? I've got that one. I've got that one. Bit of rope. Right. Watch your claws. Yeah, I was just going to kick that. Go on, get it. Nearly time to get the bitumen paint ordered and give it a proper coat. But first I've got to polyfiller the holes before I'll give it its second coat. I can't play football anymore because of the destroyed cartilage in that ankle. Where's it gone?